Welcome to Las Vegas, Las Vegas, North Vegas, North Las. Welcome to Las Vegas, Las Vegas. Contrarios anden con cuidado, es el mexicano descontrolado. Mexicanos controlamos por todos lados. Aquí estamos y no nos vamos. Las Vegas representando a todo momento. Más vale que se porten decentes y no mis meeting western. A huevo los hace que respeten. Quedan sin dientes, putos sin vientre. Nor Las Vegas en el ambiente. Nor Las Vegas en el ambiente. Yo solito les hago frente, puto no ando con rodeos, yo les toqueteo. Llevamos años en el deporte, nunca hacemos banca. Ahora toda mi raza mexicana. Ya nos fuimos muy arriba, somos un desmadre, no hay quien nos pare. Chinguen a su madre el que no nos quiera. Donde quiera que ande levanto mi bandera alto. Verde, blanco y rojo represento a todo momento. Ya nos fuimos muy adentro, putos. Welcome to Las motherfucking Vegas. Homie, nobody could save us. Labeled us some demons. Fuck you, little fake ass up. Tony Cortez wearing ass fake gangsters. Boy, you look stupid with them oversized Ben Davis over your waist. It's time for you little stupid fucks to stop humiliating our race. Where the fuck y'all get that from anyways? Shit lame as fuck, lil' homie. Lil' dumb, ignorant fuck talking about don't call him a Mexicano, he's a Chicano. That's alright, paisano, just button up your motherfucking flannel. Boy, you look stupid. I said button up your motherfucking flannel. And your mans over there look 10 times stupid with them big ass Ben Davis over his waist. About time y'all folks stop humiliating our race. Damn politics looks you straight in the face, and the massacre dude that looks just like you. And check it out, fool, either you do, or according to your crew, you a punk ass fool. They might even try to bust a move on you. Fucked up world, doggy, check it out though. That ain't even the fucked up part. Check it out. Same foes you going to war with, yeah, you heard it right. Same exact folks you going on war with. You the same exact folks you got your 25 to life bid for. You gotta unite with them, eat with them, shower with them, share every secret with them. No bullshit, you gotta trust your life with them. Shit makes no motherfucking sense, man. Gotta be a better way or behave, motherfuckers. Stay away from the motherfucking streets. Round this way we play for keeps. Put you 6 feet deep, Pistol.T in the motherfucking scene. Round this way we play for keeps, homie. Put haters 6 feet deep, Pistol motherfucking T in the scene. Las Vegas, you can get lost in Vegas. Las Vegas.